Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I decided to explore more of these Let's Resin neon powders and let's have fun today. So today is all about having fun with these colors and creating something easy and fun to go. So I've used these neon mica powders with Magic Pour by Let's Resin, and I will link that video above here so you can see that it do work with the casting powder and you get so vibrant colors. Today I thought let's try with resin and I'm going to explore this, and there will be few videos coming out with these neon pigments. So today I'm just showing you I have mixed Let's Resin here. It's a normal resin and it's a low viscosity resin, so I'm dividing it into 4 containers. So the colors that I will be working today with are going to be 4 neon colors. So I will be selecting few of the basic colors for the today's project. So it's going to be neon orange, neon pink, neon green, and neon yellow. So these are basically the main colors that makes everything so amazing, but still there are more colors, but they will be coming as I do the videos. So you can see I'm mixing it into the resin and the color is so sharp. I'm really excited to use these and it's going to be really fun today. So in this way I will be mixing all rest of the colors into the resin. And today the game that I will be selecting to make is going to be Dominos. Yeah, I haven't made Dominos before. I had the mold for some time now, but didn't get the chance to create something amazing out of it. Really fun. So today I thought I'm going to use these neon pigments in a very fun way. So before adding the pigments, what I will be doing here is that I'm using gold foil and I'm putting little pieces of this gold foil into the Dominos in each cavity randomly. So as I explained before that today is going to be really fun and easy. So this is really a beginners friendly Dominos project if you're going for if you're new to resin. So simply I will be doing this to all of these now. So these all are done now, and now I will be pouring the resin randomly. So you can see that this is first is the orange color and I'm just pouring in no sequence, no proper way. I'm just pouring it, making lines onto the dominoes, because these colors scream fun, and what more, it is a easy fun technique. And I'm really excited to see how this gold foil and these neon pigments are going to turn these dominoes into. And for my second color I will be using the yellow neon. They are so fun to look at, the color are so vibrant. So I'm randomly just pouring from the top onto these dominoes, and in this way I will be doing with the rest of the two colors also the same way. So it's already looking so colorful. I will leave this to cure. I will see you next day. So this is the next day, and next day I am selecting, I was thinking of which color to use as a back. So I will be using Let's Resin white pigment here, epoxy pigment. So I have mixed my Let's Resin here again, and I added a little bit of gold foil. So to this I will be adding this epoxy white pigment. So these are all cured now, and I will be pouring the white resin on top of them. So in this way I know that these color will be popping more. So again, it's really up to you, whatever color you want to do. I am just going with the simple white. Sometimes simple is best. To me at the moment these are looking like a psychedelic sort of dominoes. So there are so much you can think about these. So I will be pouring this white into all of these dominoes. And after pouring my resin, I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. It's all cured now and it's time to remove. Super excited. So I'm going to remove them all before. So this is how they are looking like. I just love them. You can see how lovely the white is looking, and these and the golden and the neon pigments, they are amazing. So I will be removing all of these from the mold now. So each one of them has an individual pattern on it. And here we go. These are out of the mold. I'm going to clean them a little bit, and now you can see again they are so amazing. I just love them. So I was thinking of what color to add into the center of these pigment dominoes. So I thought black is going to be best. So I will be filling these dots with the black. I will be not filling up the line because the line was not looking good with the black color. So I'm going to leave that as it is. So now I will be filling up all the numbers. So just to let you know that every details and every product will be in my description if you like to treat yourself. But I highly recommend these neon pigments by Let's Resin because I actually bought these neon pigments myself, and you just get very little at such a high price. So in this container, the pack, you get so many colors, and the bottles are really big, so you can use them multiple times. So everything will be in my description. So I'm doing them manually, but you can buy the bottles that have a needle top and you can fill that with pigment, and you can do that also. So this is the final look and I just love them. The black pop up on them and then the neon colors on its own. I really don't have any words, and the gold foil is just a cherry on top. So I hope you liked today's video. It was really fun and easy. There was no difficulty in this video because sometimes I do get messages from people. They ask me that they are resin beginners and seeing difficult techniques overwhelm them. So I need to do something easy that is easy for everyone. So everyone can enjoy the epoxy resin instead of getting tensed and looking at the difficult techniques. This is just for everyone that is a beginner. So this is for you. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.